Those footsteps are getting louder.
What's the word, twin? What's the word, twin?
Now get the rest of the shards.
What? 304? Yo, what's good, YouTube? Oh my god, it feels so good to be back. Yo, is that Donnie? And we here today with a game called... I don't even gotta say it. You know what, Beers, go ahead, say it.
Dark deception.
Anyways, bro. We gotta go ham on this video. All I know is I gotta fix my headphones. My ears got pierced, so you know what I'm saying? I'm really out here. Fix up the mic real quick. Hope everybody's having a good day. Last episode, we was playing Sneak Thief. The Sneak Thief. That joke was fire. Go ahead, watch that. Yep, had to put in a little plug-in. Anyways, what else do I gotta say? Nothing. We're getting into this video. Oh my god, her voice makes my body tremble.
2 down.
All right, whoo. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. All right, what's the word? Okay, so look, we did the monkeys. We did... I forgot her name. Now we got this. Looks like a pirate. But I'm gonna go inside.
We'll need more than a speed boost.
To get across that. All right, talk to me.
Into the pit, and I think we can both
guess
where
well.
you'll end up.
Yeah, let me go ahead. Hit that U-turn.
I can give you the power to jump across. No, not with those spindly legs of yours. I'm talking teleportation.
Transportation?
Go
I
to
mean,
the ring
teleportation? Hold on. I'm finna teleport? Hold up, go ahead, hit that real quick. Oh yeah, go ahead. Do I want to teleport too?
Go
no,
on,
I don't.
Give it a try. I'll just add it to your tab.
Add it to my tab? What you mean? 1, 2, 2. Oh, no way, I just walked back through. I bet. So we could teleport now. Oh. Oh. Not as fire. Oh, not as... That is tough. Wait, hold on. Bro. Okay, yeah, we're gonna have to teleport now. Deadly Decadence. Decadence? It's Decadence, right? Or is it Decadence? I don't know.
Keep your eyes open, love. The statues in this place are awfully lifeless.
What you mean? Yo, bro, I better not be messing with dead people, bro. Ooh. Beyond chess gates. Oh, beyond these gates, judgment awaits. Bars. That's cool. Just have the gates wide open. I'm still gonna walk through it because I have to.
I wonder who does the
Yerp. What's the word?
Very impressive.
Yerp. What's the word? You alive, bro? Yeah, he not alive. Now when I walk away and I turn around. Yo, bro. What's good? What's good? What's the word? Free our souls. Yeah, nah. Oh, nah. Go ahead, open these gates. He's gone. Oh, we're getting straight into it. Oh, no, I can't. Oh, I just wasted that. All right. Yo! I just started.
It's hard to run with a gaping hole in your foot.
Whoa!
In case you were wondering, yes,
we're just
those footsteps are getting louder.
What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? Hold on, bro. What you mean, bro?
Killed by a statue. You must be crushed.
My chest hurts.
Watch your
What are these?
It's hard to run with a gaping hole in your foot.
Oh.
In case you were wondering.
Okay.
Yes, those footsteps are getting louder. You know what they say, love. Sticks and stones
May break your bones. Okay, that's how we doing. You know what? Let me get my chain up. Let me get my chain up. Let me get my chain up.
Watch your step.
What's the word?
It's hard to run with a gaping hole in your foot.
What's the word?
In case you were wondering.
What's the word?
Yes, those footsteps are getting louder.
Please don't say that. Please don't say that. Please don't say that. Please don't say that. Cause I'll hit the feet on, bro. Keep playing. I hit the feet on, bro. Go ahead, cop that. Please. Oh, I'm scared. I ain't scared. What you talking about? Ain't nobody scared. Go ahead, hit that. Oh, no. Just keep running. Just keep running. Got 34 more. Just don't go into statues and you good. Don't go. Yo, bro. Yo, bro. What's the word, twin? What's the word, twin? Oh my God, I almost got bodied.
Halfway there and you're still alive. I don't
I'm
know whether
hot.
to be impressed
Yo.
or disappointed.
Oh nah, okay, so if I look away, they're gonna move. Run! Hit the feet! Hit the feet! Hit the feet!
Is it really that hard to outrun a statue?
Yo, bro, I'm sweating, bro. Hold on. I'm sweating. Pull up, bro. Pull up, bro.
Watch your step. It's hard to run with
Pull
a
up,
gaping
bro.
hole in your foot.
I'm sweating. I'm sweating bullets right
In
now.
case you were wondering.
Please just hit the feet.
Yes, those footsteps are getting louder.
Don't say that to me, Beers. Hold on. Do they got faster feet than me? That's all I want to know. They don't even got feet. They don't even got feet. How do they run faster than me without feet? Yo, bro. Y'all got my voice going high pitch. I'm finna voice crack. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. I'm sweating. Hit the feet. Hit the feet. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on. Oh, yeah. Come on. Keep playing with me. Whoa. That sounded. Oh, nah. So they're close. Yo. What's the word? What's the word? Go ahead. Cop that. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, bro. Come on. You're selling me. You're selling me. You're selling me. Nah, I gotta watch my back. Hold on, bro. I gotta watch my back. Hold up. I gotta watch every corner of my body. I gotta watch every corner of my body. No wonder why they need me to do 50. Because I'm sweating. I'm literally sweating. Yo, bro. Caught that. Yeah. Hit the feet. I messed up. I messed up. I messed up. I messed up. Please. I missed it. I missed it. I missed it. I missed the singular crystal. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. Oh, nah. I'm not restarting all the way. No, I just restarted.
Yeah.
No, I meant to press last checkpoint, bro. I had one more.
Ooh,
I had
didn't see that coming, did you?
Bro, my mic's not, bro. I was grinding off camera, bro. I had literally one life left. All right, give my tablet. I have
Watch
well,
your
not
step.
one life,
It's hard to run with a gaping hole in your
bro.
foot.
I'm gonna just go for it.
In case you were wondering, yes, those
Comparing
footsteps
about-
are getting louder. This zone is clear. Get to the manor.
Comparing about what's her face. Wait. Keep the hedge cage. Oh, I know what to do. Oh. What's it called? Comparing. Yo. I'm scared. Come on. Yo, bro. I'm pretty sure this is the exit. I'm pretty sure this is the exit. Yo, bro, these mannequins still better not be out here, bro. If they are, I might actually have a problem. Oh.
How nostalgic.
Why is that so loud?
I used to have a manor like this.
Yo, bro, I might actually get PTSD. Go ahead. Why would I walk into there? Nah. Let me actually talk to y'all real quick. Bro. If you was in this situation, getting chased by mannequins where you look away and they coming at you, pause. You decide to go into a door that just opened, and it's just darkness. I'm talking a void. You know what, bro? At this point, I'm setting myself up. Oh, that's it?
Is it terribly rude if you let yourself in unannounced?
I knew it was too good. This
You
isn't
found
this.
the altar. Now get the rest of the shards.
What? 304? Oh, nah. Open the gates. Oh, ooh, look at your chin. Open the gates. Dot. Well, how do I open the gates, sir? Actually? No way. Oh. Word. Oh, word. Okay. Are they still mannequins? They're still mannequins. They're still mannequins. Oh, no, not this, bro. I hate the mannequins, bro. Just run through. Just run. Just run. Hit a right hook. Oh, no, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Just kill me. Just kill me. Just kill me. Yeah, I couldn't go anywhere.
Really
I was
hard to
cornered.
outrun a statue?
The watchers can still kill you if you're looking at them. Don't touch them unless they're stunned. Okay. Okay. That's good to know. At least I know not to walk into them. Just keep looking forward, bro. I'm dead. I died with the most dumbest reason. Yo, bro. I don't think gaming's for me. I don't think this gaming this gaming's not gaming right now. Here, do your little laugh and giggles. Then hit the feats. Alright. Okay. Alright. Hear me out. I'm finna look away. Then I'm gonna look back. There's another one! Yo, where did he come from? Where did he come from? Literally every time I look away. Every time when I look away from bro. Now you see that door right there? I'm finna dash through it. Go. Hit the feet. Weave. Come on. Oh my god. That is the death of me. And like, bro, when I tell you they're fast, I mean they're fast. Like if y'all seen it, bro, cause I had the what's in my face. I had the what's in my face. Yo. I messed it up. Please. Come on. Move. I missed that. I missed it. That's my death. Oh my god, not this room again. Just backpedal. Hold on.
You are dead.
Bro. Bro, you're camping. He's camping. Yo, bro. Yo. Go into the corner. Go into the corner. Tiny scream. Shut up. Come on. Dash on them. The randoms. I already been through here. That was just a waste of my time. Why am I not running? If I'm sprinting, I should continue to sprint. Oh, I can teleport through enemies' traps. That's what it is. Oh, that could come in handy, I guess. Is he still camping? He sure is.
Look out, a trap.
I'm not gonna lie, I should have seen that coming. But that's not the point, though. The point is that he is camping. Look. Yes. Okay. So the teleportation does sometimes come in handy, guess you could say. That's it. Yo, bro. I gotta listen to their footsteps, bro. Hold up. Why is there so many people here? If I look away, I'm dead. All right, look. This the plan. I'm finna hit speed. Actually, no, I can teleport. Ooh, they just got juked. Get out, plane.
The idea is to avoid the traps, love. I thought we'd been over that.
I didn't even get bodied by a trap, Beers. I didn't even get bodied by a trap. Okay. 200? Yo, bro, who do you think I am? John Wick? Bro, that is always gonna be an inside joke, bro. Bro, look away, look back. Look away, look back. Look back, look away, look back. Look away, look back.
You are dead.
This game is about, bro, this game is gonna be the death of me. At this point, I don't even care what grade I get. I just, bro. You know what? Let me go ahead in the corner. Because obviously, look away, look back. Yo, why are you hitting the feed? Psych. Dash on him. I don't even got my tablet out. I don't even know where I was going. At that point, I was just running. Okay, go ahead, pause your tracks. Go ahead, corners are my life. Yo, someone just I don't know if I should code it. You know what? Just take it. That was the thing that I didn't want to happen. I'm dead. Actually, no, I'm not. I just gotta do a big U-turn, bro. And keep in mind, they're faster than you. I don't even know if they could. Hold up. I just wasted like a second of my speed boost, but that's cool though. 2, 3, 1, 2. Bro, look at how many shards I gotta get.
You seem to really enjoy pain, don't you?
Oh my God, Beers! Shut up! Oh, he's camping too. Oh, I'm dead. Yeah, I'm dead.
You know what they say, love.
Okay.
Sticks and stones.
Break your bones. Shut up. Yeah, I'm gonna need that speed boost. Speed boost. Speed boost. Go ahead. Oh. Yo, bro. Don't be moaning and groaning all up in my ears. Don't be moaning and groaning in my ears. Weave. Come on. Don't be moaning and groaning in my ears. Don't be moaning and groaning in my ears. Go ahead, take that. Yo, don't be doing all that. Can't do that. Can't do that one. Yep, go ahead, get out of those. I had one job
Watch your step,
and one
Paul.
job only was to walk out on time. Dog, I'm not even over there no more. What did I get hit? How did I die 2 times? Yo, bro, where my refund at, bro? Where's my refund? Where's my refund, bro? Where's my refund at? Who thought it would be a good idea to make a first-person Pac-Man game? Actually, I also heard that you could play this in VR. And I got a VR. So if y'all want to see me play this horrible refundable game in VR, go ahead and do what you gotta do. If we on the same page. Yep. This one. Go. Come on. Yeah. Whisper in my ears, baby. Whisper in my ears, baby. Whisper in my ears, in my ears, baby. Whisper in my ears, in my ears, in my ears, in my ears. I'm saying hit them vocals on y'all. Hold on. Right hook. Weave. Weave. Oh my god. For a sec. Yo, bro. Thank you. Thank you. You're a bum. You're a bum. You're a bum. Get friends. Yo, bro. Hold on. I'm hot. I'm hot. My chain is sweaty.
I think it wants to give you a hug. Isn't that sweet?
Bro, my headphones all messed up. My headphones are messed up. At this point. Bro, I don't like your kind. I'm statue phobic. I'm statue phobic.
You know what they say, love. Sticks and
Yo, bro.
stones.
I didn't even know my voice could go that high. I didn't even know my voice could go that high. Okay, I got 62 more. 62 more. Come on, bro. My mom just brought me some food. And now I'm happy. As happy as I can be. Like after this, I feel like I'm the man of the world right now. There's 3 men behind me. Chill. Come on, bro. Ooh, how did I not die? You know what? Don't worry about it. Don't question. Don't question. Don't question the question that needs to be questioned. Don't question the question that needs to be questioned. Yo, bro. Yo, I'm dead.
I think it wants to give you a hug.
One of them had me on. Bro, you know what? Hold up. Let me pause my game. I don't know if y'all as sweaty as I am. But I do know. I'm hungry. I know you're hungry too. Go ahead, get you a little snack. I'll wait. I said I'll wait. You know, while you're leaving, you might as well go leave a like, you know? You're not jacking it? Oh, I just wasted that, bro. I just realized. Oh my god. Alright, come on, bro.
You are dead.
I don't even want to know what those levers are for. The levers are supposed to be here for a reason, right? Yeah, we can't do nothing to those. Okay. At this point, I might as well die. Actually, nah. Never give up. And I'll never give up. I'll never give up. I am... I'm about to give up. I am Donnie, the Blexican Prince. I'm dead.
Now that's how you
I'm about to
die
give up.
in style.
Don't be oohing in my ears, yo. I'm dead. Okay. All right. 12 left. 12 left. Yo. I'm dead. How did they not kill me? You know what? I'm not even gonna ask questions, bro. Questions. I was at the last
didn't see that coming,
square.
did ya?
The last square. Pam, Pam, pow, pow, pow.
Now get the ring piece while you still can.
Oh, we're not done. Okay. Okay. Yo. 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 Yo, bro. Yo, bro. I know we just saw it. I know we just seen him. Oh, that's Malik. Malik, you're a hater. Malik, you're a hater, bro. You're a hater, bro. You're a hater, bro. Grow up. Grow up. Grow up, you're a hater. Grow up, you're a hater. Weave, dummy. Let's go. Let's go. What just happened to my game? Hello? I'm gonna be mad if my game just crashed. Yo, bro. I'm gonna be mad if my game just crashed. I think my game crashed. I'm gonna be like so honest. I think my game crashed. Hold up. Progress found for... Let's go. We still got progress? Okay, yeah, because I had to go in my task manager. My task manager. I forgot how hard this beat came in. I had to go into my task manager. Open the gate. Who do you hate?
There's no escape for you.
Says who? Oh, you missed. Oh, you missed. Whoa.
Oh, come on. You walked right into that one.
I low-key did. I low-key did. She's not lying about that. Oh, wow. So I just have to redo that whole thing. Cutscene, right?
There's no escape for you.
Yes, there is. There's always an escape. Ah! Ah! And teleport. Just kill me.
You seem to really enjoy
Just kill me.
pain, don't you?
I had to go into my task manager bar to play this trash game. Yo, bro, where's my refund, bro? This junk was $10. $10. I'm gonna need my refund. Just go. Just go. Just go. Just go. I can't even, like, go back there. Oh, I know what I gotta do. I know what I gotta do. I gotta, what's it called? I gotta make him hit the gate. Oh, that's actually mad easy. Here, go ahead, hit me real quick. Yes, sir. Pa! Oh, I gotta do it again. Pa!
Now that deserves a face
I
palm.
forgot Malik was a person. Oh, wow, Malik. Oh, wow. I knew you was... Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Is he faster than me? Come on. Yes. Bro. This dude finna make me mad. I forgot these people was... I forgot these people was a thing. Yo, bro. 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 Hit me. Please. Just hit it. Please.
You are dead.
How complicated do you have to make it? You see, he's the one that's supposed to, you know what I'm saying, do the, you know what I'm saying, with the, you know what I'm saying. All these, like, these randoms, you see, they're just here to hang out at that point. Malik's slow.
You seem to really
I was just
enjoy
talking
playing
smack on
Nethead.
his name and he just did me dirty. Okay, that's how you feel. I'm not. Alright, bro. So look, Malik's gonna be right there, right? I gotta like actually wait till he physically throws it. I can't. He's taking too long. He's taking too long. He's taking
that
so
deserves a face
long
palm.
to throw it, bro. If you're a big boy, throw it like a big boy. I'm like, come on. Yes. Yes. Last one. Come on, bro. Whew. Come on, bro. You have one job. That is the If this dude don't throw me that alley, bro, I'ma get mad. Cause you're throwing it like, come on, yo! I'm walking in a straight line. Get better. Whew, come on, teleport. Yes. Come on, throw it. Yes. Yo.
You are dead.
I found out Malik does not like water. That is a good thing to know. He does not like water. That is a great thing to know, actually. Go ahead, get some distance on him. Go ahead, get into the water. Go back out of the water. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Yo, come on. Wait. Come on. Yes! Let's go! Let's go! End this video. What did I just say? End this video. It's done. Let's go. Alright, YouTube. Oh, my camera's not even angled up. Alright, YouTube. I'm hitting the dash. Make sure you go down below. Hit that like button. That's all I want. That's all I need. Help me make it out the hood. I ain't say that in a minute. Hold on. I just now realized. Now, I hope you have a good day or night. And until next video, we're out. Oh, you're still here. All right. We out.